No Shave November is over, and some of these new beards have survived for the time being. Quarantine is still going on in some shape or form for a lot of people around the world, and some of those quarantine beards are still going strong because of working at home. Some guys are growing out their first ever winter beard, hunting beard, playoff beard, and we're reaching that point where a lot of guys are able to pinch their beard, they're able to see some patches, they're able to see some slow growth, and now they're comparing. They're seeing pictures online and comparing it to their own beard. They're seeing videos like this and comparing it to their own beard, and they're a little bit down. Man, my beard seems like it's growing slow. It doesn't seem like it's full. And I am getting a very, very common question. You've probably seen it as well. And that question is, how do I grow a faster beard? How do I grow a better beard? Now, I've covered different aspects of this and different parts of videos throughout the channel's history. But when I am given a clear-cut question, I like to give a clear-cut answer and video to directly respond to that. So this is not the answer that you want, but it is the answer you need. There are two very important things when it comes to growing a faster beard, a better beard, to give yourself the best potential possible, and that would be patience and good habits. You're not going to be able to control genetics. Those are the cards you're dealt, but two things that I know can help you grow a faster and better beard is patience and then good, healthy habits. There are things that we are passionate about that many people rave about, but they still require patience and healthy habits. Things like minoxidil, right? Rogaine for your beard, that can help out a lot of people, but you still have to give it time. Other things like beard products or growth oils or anything that we really wanted to cover, you need to be able to give it time and you need to have those good routines. I like to compare sometimes things that you do for your beard almost like steroids. Now hear me out here. Like steroids, you can take a steroid, but nobody just pops a steroid and then is like, boom, 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 they're getting muscles like these, you know? That just doesn't happen. Sarcasm, I don't even work out. So that just doesn't happen. They take their steroids and then it aids in the process. They still need to work out. They still need to have patience and time for those things to pay off. So please, guys, give it patience and give it good, healthy habits. I'm gonna go into more detail on those healthy habits, but while I have your attention, while I have you right now, if you could, hit a thumbs up on the video right at this second. I do appreciate that. If your mind changes throughout the video, feel free to change it later to a thumbs down or take it off. That's all right, but if you are enjoying so far, hit a thumbs up. And then secondly, most importantly, if you are not subscribed to this channel, hey, my name is DanCBearded. I love beard stuff. I appreciate having you here. There we go. Got it. Nailed it. So thank you for being here. Consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, as always, thank you guys so much. You are everything to this channel. All right. Take a little break and then we're going to come back with some more details. Outside of just patience and genetics doing its own thing, I'm going to give you guys 3 things you can do to have the best potential beard, to have the best growth, all of that stuff kind of brought into one. Number 1 is eat a healthy diet and supplement when needed. Number 2 is exercise. That's something I need to personally make more time for and get better at. And number 3 is take care of your beard with products such as beard wash, beard oil, and beard butter. Okay, let's go back to that first one. Eating healthy. We don't need to break it down and get crazy scientific. The better you eat, the better it is for your beard. The better nutrients, vitamins, minerals you are intaking, the better it is for your beard. Your beard often acts as a tell for your health. If you are not in a healthy state, neither is your beard. If you are in a healthy state, you're giving that beard the best shot possible. I have videos on vitamins, I have videos on kind of all these topics, but that's just kind of a good general rule of thumb. Number 2 is exercise. Testosterone, DHT, being active, being fit, all play a big role in the health and the growth of your beard. It will benefit your beard. Again, I need to get better at that, and that's something that I'm hoping to be able to do in 2021. I know everyone says time, but man, time is really tough for me, but I will make time for it. Last year, my big goal was to get healthy by going to the doctor for the first time with regular health checkups, to the dentist really for the first time in my adult life for regular checkups. I did that. Now let's take it to the next step. And then number 3, take care of your beard. The 3 most important products that I believe, number 1 is beard wash. You need a wash that is designed for the environment of your beard. Your head hair is totally different than your beard because of the sebum level, because of the thickness of the hair. There's a lot going on there. Get a good beard wash to get rid of the salt buildup, to get rid of any dirt, any grime, anything that's on that surface. That will help out a lot. Number 2 is a beard oil. That is what we need for our beard. Go a week without taking a shower. See what your beard feels like compared to your head hair. Your beard is going to be a dry bird's nest. It's going to be nasty. Your head hair is going to be greasy, right? It's not the same. So we need to be able to replace that sebum oil, help with the itch, help with the health, help with the styling. Beard oil is the product for that. And then the third one, which I love, this is kind of a luxury item because after this you have things like balms, you have conditioners, you have all those other things that are really nice but not needed. And the third one is not needed, but it can be a game changer for a lot of guys, and that is beard butter. I prefer beard butter at night. That's going to give you some deep nourishment and just have your beard feeling as great as it possibly can, okay? Let's come back in 2 seconds for a conclusion. When it comes to your beard, don't go chase that overnight, over week, or over month miracle because it really does not exist. Don't go online and compare your beard to other pictures or to other videos because that doesn't help anything. Enjoy this process. Give it a shot. I really believe a beard will add to the appearance, to the life, to the kind of just morale of almost all men. Is it for everybody? Probably not, but hey, you will never know unless you give it a true shot. Patience and healthy habits absolutely can make a difference. Those out there that say it's just genetics, all you got to do is wake up in the morning and not shave, they're ignorant. That is not true. If you do things that will help the health of your body, it will help the health of your beard, which in return will make it grow faster, make it grow stronger, look better. All of this stuff matters, and it has changed my life for the positive, and a lot of guys down below in the comments. So, to end with here, guys, questions, comments, thoughts, what was your journey like when it was early on? We're going to have a lot of new beardsmen that are reading these comments. A little bit of encouragement from you could go a long way. Is there anything else on this topic that I didn't cover that you think would be beneficial? I would love to hear from you guys. So if you are new to this community, one of the best things you can do for the health and the life of your beard, I really believe, is subscribe to this channel, dive into the community, and see what my videos have to offer you. I put a lot into this, but I also get a lot out of it, and I love every second of it. So thank you guys. DanCBearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.